Hello Alpha traders, welcome back to another session. In today's video I'll be showing you guys a very powerful strategy I'll be using to milk the markets. I assure you this strategy is going to be a game changer for you guys if you pay close attention. It's been a while I actually posted a video on this channel due to some engagements that took my time, including our November VIP mentorship classes. Okay, so for those of you who were not part of the we were not able to join the November VIP classes, the December one is coming up. The VIP mentorship class for December is coming up, so you can check the description box. You are going to see a link to my Telegram channel. Join the Telegram channel and send me a private message, and I will guide you on how to be a part of the December VIP mentorship classes. Okay, I'm going to brush you up on how to trade profitably, how to change the game in your trading. Okay, so let's go straight into the video now. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button and also like this video and turn on your post notification bell, so whenever I drop a new post you will get notified. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to this channel. Okay, now this strategy is a very simple one. Like I said, you don't need any complicated analysis on your chart. You don't need any indicator, just a naked chart, as you can see mine here. Okay, so it's also about the breakout strategy, but this is another dimension of it. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you two sessions. First of all, I'll be showing you how to buy, okay, using this strategy. I'm going to put out a buy opportunity. This signal, this strategy, I've been using it to provide signal in my VIP signal group, okay, and it has been very successful, very profitable. So I'll show you how to find a bullish signal, like how to find a buy opportunity, and I'm going to also show you how to find a sell opportunity. Okay, so let's go straight to see how to buy. Okay, meanwhile, this is exactly how I want you to take note of this first. This is the concept of this strategy. In a situation where you see the market making its move, making highs and lows and highs and lows, okay, and then by any chance you see this high here, you see this high, okay, this is a high here, this is a high, okay. So by this strategy you are expected to mark out this high, this last high you saw here. The last bullish candle here is what you are expected to mark using your tool. You mark it out and then wait for price to break above it and then come back to retest it. When price breaks above it and comes back to retest it, it is within this region, within this last bullish candle you saw here. That is your area of interest, and it is within it that you are supposed to take a buy. Okay, it is within it that you take a buy and then make your profit. So it is the same thing when you see during the bearish market, during a bullish trend like this, okay, and then the market keeps making these highs and lows, and then you see a low like this and price goes up again, then you are supposed to mark out the lowest candle you see here. You're supposed to mark it out, okay, just to mark out the lowest candle you see, and then after you've marked it out, then you want to see price come back to break this level and then go back. This lowest candle you saw here will be your area of interest, and as price goes back into it, then you are expected to take a sell here and then you make your profit. So let's go straight into the chart to see what I'm talking about. Okay, I want to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, this is an example here. can see how price was coming down here, coming all the way from here, and then we have a high here. We also have another high here. Okay, so I actually marked at this place. So we have another low, we have a low here, we have a low here also, but this is the last high we can see here. This is the last high before this low. So okay, let me remove this, let me drop this. Okay, yeah, so this is also our last candle here. This is the last bullish candle here. Remember, here we want to find an opportunity to buy. So when you are looking for a buy opportunity, you are going to be considering the last bullish candle of the high. Okay, so this is a high here, this is a high, and this is the last bullish candle. So we are going to mark it out. Remember, this is a 30 minutes time frame. I actually like finding my opportunities on the 30 minutes time frame. Then I make my entry 5 minutes. Okay, so this is the 30 minutes time frame, and this is the last bullish candle here. Okay, so I mark it out. After I mark it out using my tool, using my my tool here, okay, my rectangular tool. Okay, so I mark this last bullish candle, and then I extend it to this point, and then I go to my lower time frame, my 5 minutes time frame, to see price break out of it and then come back to retest it. Then when it comes back into it, I will find the best opportunity to enter. Okay, so this is my 5 minutes time frame. Let me look for it. Okay, this is it. You can see this is it here. So this is where price broke out of it. This is where price broke out of this our area of interest. Okay, price broke out of it, and then it came back to enter. Okay, it came back into this our zone of interest. There are two ways to make your entry here. There are two ways to make your entry in this zone of interest. One is that you can decide that you place your buy immediately price enters into the zone of interest. You just take your buy, okay, and then bring your, okay, you place your buy probably around here. As soon as price enters, take your buy, and then you wait for, okay, you set your stop loss below the last level, below the low of the candle. Okay, let me go back to the 30 minutes time frame here so that you understand it properly. This is what I mean. As soon as price gets into this zone, you enter your trade. You can also use a buy limit for this, okay, and then a little bit below this bullish candle, that is where you take your stop loss here. Okay, so that as soon as price comes back into this level, your order will be activated, and then if by any means it goes below this, it will hit your stop loss, and then it's normal. Okay, but for someone that has enough time to watch the chart, this is my recommended way of entering the market. You wait for price to come into this your zone of interest, your area of interest, and then you want to read the candle to see an opportunity to enter. Okay, now look at this here. We had a bullish engulfing pattern here. Okay, this is one of the best way to enter the trade for me. This will help you to reduce the level of drawdown you will have. Okay, so we had a bullish engulfing pattern here. This bearish candle was taken out completely by this bullish candle. Okay, so you quickly make your entry around this area and then set your stop loss around this area. Now you can see what happened here. Price immediately went in your favor. This is it. And then as soon as price start going in your favor, you can break even. Now let's see. This is how far you took this trade. You can see you have made a lot of profit. is as good as this, guys. It is so simple, so easy. Now assuming you missed this point, remember you can also enter the trade again. Assuming you missed this point, here you would have had the opportunity to enter again. This is another one. You can see this this another low, another high here. This is another high, so you'd have been able to mark out this last bullish candle here. Okay, as price came down, you'd have been able to mark out this last bullish candle. Let me take this into it. Yeah, this is the last bullish candle. You'd have been able to mark it out, and then price breaks out of it. You wait for price to come back into it. Okay, you can use your buy limit order as I said earlier. Then you go to your M5, and then you are waiting for price to come back into it. Now this is it. You can see price just came into it. It just tipped on it. You can see, assuming you use your buy limit order, as soon as price came here, your order would have been activated, and you can see you make your profit. But assuming you were watching the charts, now this is what we would have done. You can see one thing is that we had a double, it touched it 1 2 3 times, touched it 3 times. Okay, touched it 3 times. So as you saw this engulfing pattern here, you would have been able to enter. But if you didn't enter, this one here, once you saw these rejections, these weak rejections, you would have been able to enter. Okay, this, at least this point should have been where you get your total confirmation, your full confirmation. Make your entry here, and you can see how you milk the market. Okay, that's how it works. Just play this video again and again until you understand it. First thing, you have to see that you have to take note of the highs. You have to take note of the highs. Look at the high here, look at the high here, and then mark the last bullish candle. Remember, we are looking for opportunity to buy. Come here, mark the last bullish candle. I am recapping. Mark the last bullish candle, and then wait to see a breakout. Just as you see here, wait to see a breakout, price close above it, and then wait for a retest. As price comes to retest it, as price comes into this zone of interest, you are free to take your buy. Okay, as you buy, you make your profits. Right, that is how simple it is. So with this, trading becomes very easy for you. Now let's look for selling opportunities. Let's look for selling opportunities. We want to see how we can use this same strategy to sell. Okay, let me see if we have a good opportunity here. Okay, so this is it. You can see this point. We have this high, we have this low. Okay, we have this high here, we have this low here also. So at this point where you have this low, we want to mark out this level. We want to mark out, look at this candle, this bearish candle, we want to mark it out. Okay, sorry, this is it here. This is it. I want to mark out this bearish candle. Yeah, I want to mark it out. Then you want to see a breakout. Remember, these are 30 minutes time frame. You want to see a breakout at this point. This is where we have the breakout. Then this is the highest level of the candle, so you place it here above the highest level. Okay, above the high of the candle, a little bit above the high. They want to see the breakout here. You go to your 5 minutes time frame. Let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, let me look for it. All right, this is it. Go to your 5 minutes time frame. This is where I like making my entry, the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so remember, this is where your stop loss should be. This is where your entry point should begin. So anywhere within this region is your interest zone, so you can decide to sell anywhere within this zone. Okay, so you can see where how price broke above it here. This is where price broke above it, sorry, where it broke out of this region below and closed below it. This is it. Then price went back into this region to retest it. Okay, so anywhere around here you could have entered a sell position here. You could have opened a sell position anywhere around here, and then you can see what happened. It sold all the way down, price went all the way down. So this is it. Very wonderful. Now, assuming you missed out on this, you would have also been able to come back to this point. This is another low here, and this is the candle, the lowest candle. You would have also come back here. Okay, this is the last low. Then you mark it out and extend your 2. Then when you do this, you want to go down to a lower time frame also. After you have finished marking it out, okay, you want to go down to a 5-minute time frame. Guys, you can use this strategy to scalp the market. Now you are in your lower time frame, and you can see how price came into this level and tested it multiple times. So around this area, you would have been able to take a sell position. Okay, and this will be your stop loss here. You can see that price, the drawdown was very small, okay, very minimal. Here you enter with a very high lot size, and you see yourself milking the market, making a lot of profit. You can see this, you can see, wow. So that is just how it works. That is just how it works, guys. That is how this strategy works. It's so simple, so easy to use, and so simple to understand. Now look at it here. Also, this one would have also been a buy opportunity. This one would have also been a buy opportunity here. Look at this one here. This is a high here, okay, and this is the last bullish candle. This is it, the last bullish candle. So this is where price broke above it. You can also go down to your M5 to see things clearer. This is where price broke out of it and then came back into it. First and second touch, you would have been able to buy here, and you are making the market. The same thing again, guys. This keep repeating itself over and over again. So it keeps repeating, guys. Using this strategy, you can scalp the market and you reduce your losses and make it. So guys, watch this video again in case you did not understand anything. Check the comment box, ask me any question, or you come to my Telegram channel. Check the description box. I'm going to say link to my Telegram channel, and feel free to ask me any question, okay, and then I'll be on hand to answer you almost immediately. Okay, if you want to join my mentorship class, feel free to do so. Message me directly on my Telegram, and I'll guide you on how to be a part of the mentorship class. Okay, thank you, guys. If you like this video, make sure to like this video, and if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and also like this video. Turn on your post notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new post. This is the Alpha Trade, and as I always tell you, it can only get better. Thank you, guys. Bye.